So yeah, this is my task list. Um, so this is all I've done. The last thing was I found my component file. Tonight or tomorrow I'll talk to Sharda and get my Figma components. Yeah, that's all.
Can you please share your screen and update?
So the current task I'm working on is the UI of the file Sarada sent. So give me a second.
Okay.
Is it visible? Can you all see?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So my second task was bringing up the application source end. So I'm done with the installation, and then Sir told us to make a website testing document. So I'm done with the document also. So now I'm working on the website's UI. So I'm done with a few elements of the page. I have a few more to do. So yeah, that's my update.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Thank you. So the next person, Jawad.
Yeah, hi ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen.
Okay.
So this is my task. All task is here. So like recently I completed my PPT on create MySQL RDS and link EC2 to MySQL. And I also start learning regarding the S3 bucket and sample file. I have like issue regarding this writing script or above resources. So like for this, what type of like a script I have to write for all these instances or tasks. Am I audible? Am I audible to you?
Yes, Javed, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Yeah, Nasik, could you please help me in this, like in this, which type of like, script we have to write in
So
S3?
initially, yeah, okay. So initially, you need to learn Terraform. So before you writing the script, okay.
Okay.
So do you have any idea over the Terraform?
Yeah, it's create infrastructure for the services. We will create infrastructure in data form. I have the idea regarding that.
Yeah, definitely. So what you're going to do now is just learn or watch tutorials or the Terraform and try to gain some insight over it and why do we require and how we going to implement. Okay, so once after learning the Terraform, you just start implementing by creating the small infrastructure, that is creating the instance. Once it's got succeed, then move on with another component by adding the network security groups like that.
Hmm.
And once you are used to
And
scripts, try to integrate all these tasks, whatever the task you have created, right? Like AC2 linking to that MySQL.
okay,
So you try to execute that and see whether it has succeeded or not.
okay. And in the eighth task, we have to just install all these requirement in an instance, right?
No, no, no,
Or
no.
we have to just
Actually,
configure.
no. You need to make these pre-requirements in your local system, that is on your PC.
Like I am using Eclipse, so we have to like I have to make the all things in my Eclipse ID, right?
Yes. So one for that is whatever things I mentioned there, MySQL. So
Yes,
install
yes.
MySQL
I did.
Workbench community. There is a
Okay.
APK. You will get it in the web and just download and follow the procedure. Okay. So once it's got completed, so try to watch videos or the channel which is already been posted and
Yes.
how. to use the MySQL workbench and all. So once you are done, just move on to install the Maven and followed by IDE. If you are using Eclipse, it's good,
Yes, yes.
or if you are used to Visual Studio, it's well and good. It's completely up to you. And your system should have a Java, that is a JDK, and another software is Postman to test your application or the microservice. It's a interface to test. So everything you will going to get through the videos which is already be available in the YouTube channel. Okay.
Okay. This PPT I created for the MySQL ideas linking with EC2.
Okay.
Can I present it over here or upload it in the drive?
Um, so you better check with sir as he instructed. So probably as instructed for all of us is to make a self-recording video
Yeah, right,
by
right.
explaining. Yeah, probably that could
For
feel better.
yeah,
So yeah, tell me.
okay. The way I'm updating my sheet is correct. Anything wrong is there, please tell me, so I will update it over here.
No, it looks good. So there is no change required.
That's all my work.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so let's go with the next person. Monica, can you please share your
I
screen?
Yeah, one second.
Hello.
Are you able to see?
Yes, Monica.
Today I got the Figma files. I'll go through it and start working on it.
Can you please like explain what you've been doing?
No, I submitted my output. That was my previous activity.
Okay. No, I want you to just from the beginning, whatever you've done, just like explain it like
Oh,
from the task
okay.
list.
My first task was I had to give a PPT presentation on React JS, and we had assigned a several topic among us. That was the topic which I got was React Router and React Memo. I did PPT regarding that and presented it and submitted in folder to sir. And my second task was to install Node.js. And based on the repository I got, I installed the npm, and after installing it, I started the npm and I got the output which I showed in 2 weeks back. Then, based on my component, I got my files today, so I'll be working on it.
Okay, Monica, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go ahead with the next person. Nachiket.
Yeah. Hi, Mike.
Hello.
Yes. Hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
So from this week, I have very few updates that on Monday, just I have configured my Ansible thing, that is pre-requirements, whatever I needed. That is, I just configured the control node as well as the manage node. And thereafter, as the team instructed for me to create recordings with all the resources or the tasks which have been done so far. They have instructed, and I was completely engaged to that by creating all the PPTs. That is doing recording over the PPTs. So this is the work which have been done this week, and still I have a few recordings to be done, which will be completed by today, max to max. So this is all.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, so the next person, Sahana, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, Mehak.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, in this week, sir assigned a new requirement, that's invoice management system. Based on that, I'm understanding the requirements and preparing PPT and recording that, and uploaded in the drive recording the PPT. And today, sir told me to create the database design. So I'm watching related tutorials how to create this.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ranjani, can you please share your screen and update?
Good afternoon.
Your voice is echoing.
Is it fine now?
Yeah, better.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so this is my task list so far. So I had to install npm and then fix the errors, which I have finished. And I received the Figma files. I have to make few changes in it, which I'm still doing. I'm adding few buttons and a few other changes that is assigned to do it. So yeah, this is what I've done so far.
Can you please like elaborate, give like a brief of what you've been doing, like from the start?
Yeah, so okay, so I installed npm, got the static page. I had a meeting with Sarda and I was supposed to add a few changes in my component. So I'm still working through them. I am coding them. I have done half of it. I'm not fully completed it yet.
Okay, all right. Okay, let's go ahead with the next person. Sarada, are you here?
Yeah, Mike. One sec. Let me share.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I've been working on two pages from some service consumers, manage jobs and manage job seekers. I've completed all these lists from all these, and only yesterday actually, yeah, I've updated service consumer languages. There was certain columns were missing. It was the header which have been done previously. Basing on the previous designs done by the designers, I have uh, updated some the design and worked on that. And the walkthrough is pending on user addresses with Aditi, which I'll be taking up today.
Okay. So I think mine is also pending yet. Mine is
I,
user education.
I just wanted to know what was the topic like you're looking for, what component?
Mine was user education component.
Education. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
when are we
Yeah.
gonna schedule that?
See if anything is pending, I have to work, or else we can schedule it out today. I'll let you know. I'll ping you
Okay, all
the
right. That's all
same.
right.
I'm not sure. Education I've done.
Okay, so
Yeah, I think we can take it. It's done almost. Um, it's only this part, right? Yeah, I'll schedule a call based on the timing. Okay, we can have it today itself.
okay, all right, cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so the next person, Vinod, can I have your updates, please?
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, these are my updates. I start with VPC and subnets. I created the EC2 instance and radius to connect connection between them. And my second task is was to build a microservices. I have test to locally and using the cloud using a Postman API. So yesterday I have done with that. So my next task is to work on Jenkins and Maven. So I'm watching tutorials about that. That's it.
Oh, okay. Can I just get like a brief of every task you've been doing, like start to end?
Yeah, sure.
Mm.
So here I have created the APC and subnets and build a connection between EC2 instance to RDS MySQL database. Then I have created the S3 bucket using the sample files. After that, I installed the microservices and created a database testing in locally using the Postman API. Then I got some issues. I resolved that using with the help of Nachiket. Then I resolved that yesterday and I completed the microservices task.
Okay, got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I think everyone's done presenting.
Mehak, I think I'm.
Santosh,
Yeah,
you're left, right?
yeah,
Okay, you can just go ahead and.
yeah. Give me a second.
Yep.
Can you able to see my screen? Hello,
Hello.
hello. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is my task list. First of all, in the task first, I have to create AWS services. That is a VPC subnet and MySQL RDS like that. And I have to write a Terraform script for those AWS services. And my second task is they have assigned some microservice that is a candidate agreement service, and I need to test that in the local host and the cloud environment. After that, I have tested the microservices using the Jenkins and written the Terraform script to write RDS, create RDS and EC2. And I have already uploaded the recording video to the drive also. So now I am working on the preparing the PPT presentation on VPC and Terraform.
Okay, all right, got it.
Yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I think now everyone's done. Y'all have any doubts, queries, can go ahead, clear it up. If there's nothing to discuss, we can just wrap it up for the day.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool then. That's it for today, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.